Spanish town where the seagulls bleed. Saw the sad, shy horses walking home on the sodium lakes. Two priests on a ferry, October geese on a cold winter's night. All this time the river flowed and the sea to the sea. Two priests came around our house tonight. One young, one old, to offer prayers for the dying, to serve the final rites. One to learn, one to teach, which way the cold wind blows. Fussing and flapping in priestly black like a murderer crows. Yeah. All this time the river flows and the sea to the sea. If I had my way, I'll take a boat from the river and I'll bury the old man. I'll bury him at sea. Blessed are the poor, for they shall inherit the earth. It's better to be poor than be a fat man in the eye of a needle. As these words are spoken, I swear I hear the old man laughing. What good is the used up world, and how could